Hello everyone, I have with me here my ROG Ally X. And yes, from the title of this video, you are probably in the same predicament that I was about 2 weeks ago. I was doing all this research, watching all of these videos. What handheld should I buy? Now, yes, the Steam Deck is a very, very good option. But as you could probably tell from watching this and the title, I decided against it. And there are some main reasons why. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, Windows 11. And there's so many people that are slating Windows 11 on these handhelds. But my question is why? The majority of people going through school, work, whatever it may be, you've probably used Windows. We know how to use Windows. It's the most compatible software out there that most developers, game developers, app developers, whatever it may be, build to come onto Windows. So why would we not want it on a very expensive device that we're spending a lot of money on? Why would we not want the full compatibility? And that's the main reasons why I chose this. Why would I want to buy a handheld which is, in my opinion, going to be slightly underperform? Okay, there's a lot of people that go around the console feel. But still, would you buy a console knowing that you would not be able to play all of your favorite games on it? And that's what it came down to me at the end of the day. I wanted the full compatibility. And let me tell you, I have not been one bit disappointed. Okay, with Windows, you may have to update things in multiple places. You may have to go onto the main Armory crate, and you may have to update it from the update center in the settings here in the update center and go through it that way. You'd have to do that with your normal PC. So if you're going to want something that's compatible, why would you not want to do it with here? You then have obviously the main Windows updater. So if you go on here and go for your check for updates, you'll always be able to update it in the update center. And I think the main aspect on this as well, and the reason I chose it, is the AMD Z1 Extreme chip. It's powerful, it produces arguably great performance and chucking out the FPS to the point where people have put this with the compatibility with the Thunderbolt port 4.0 to eGPUs. People have used this and proven that you can use this as a PC setup that you can then pick up and move on the go, to the point where people have got rid of their gaming PCs. Now, I still have my gaming PC. It's a lot more stronger than this. And I'm going to tell you my dilemma and the reason that I got one of these. And it could be the same thing for you. Yes, I like my gaming, but I got myself stuck in a cycle with YouTube, and I have a gaming channel. When I'm on my PC, I felt the need that I needed to be filming for that YouTube channel, going live, whatever it may be, with the community. I had a whole backlog of games that I wanted to play, which were probably not compatible with my YouTube channel. And this really has helped me through that. With the Xbox app, I have all my Game Pass, I have absolutely everything that I need. And even to the simple games where a lot of you may have played, for example, Wolfenstein, the new Sniper Elite. I haven't been able to play any of them because when I'm playing on my computer, I'm normally recording. So sitting on the sofa, in comfort, being able to play these games has massively changed my gaming experience. Now, in terms of actually picking this over the Steam Deck, as I said before, as I was going to get one of these, I wanted the most compatibility. I don't have to go through any plugins or anything along those lines to achieve what I want to achieve, in terms of if I do want to do some game recording, I don't have to get a plugin for OBS to add it to Steam to then get it easier to use through the Linux software. I can download OBS and I can set it up like on my PC. And my thinking was, and my logic behind this, is that if the Steam Deck was so set up for a console feel, but then you needed to use all these plugins to be able to use it in certain ways that you want to use it, with Proton and forcing it to load games, you then need a little bit of computer knowledge of how to do it anyway. So, and some of these ways are a lot more complicated. For example, like getting the Epic game launcher and all the other launchers, or using Greenlight to get the Xbox Remote Play. It's then not a pick up and play console. You need to then know how to use it. And trust me, Linux is not the easiest bit of software to use at all. And then it then comes into the system of, well, actually, it becomes a lot more complicated than Windows. So we might as well get a Windows handheld, right? Now, I know this is probably more of an unpopular opinion because there are a lot of people that do love the Steam Deck. And I think it's a great piece of kit. The touch pads are fantastic. The OLED screen on the OLED models, absolutely fantastic. But I just wanted to be able to pick up my handheld and download the games that I want to download on a piece of software which I recognize from my own PC. We all use Windows. It's not okay, it comes with its issues, but we deal with them on our PC. So we can deal with them exactly the same on a handheld. It works exactly the same way. And I actually quite like how intuitive this is. And people say that the Windows doesn't quite work as well on the handheld. But I think they've done a good job. The keyboard works perfectly. The click cursor moves and works perfectly. The touchscreen, I think, works very accurately with it. And Asus have done a great job with their Armoury Crate, which we spoke about earlier on. You have everything in your Armoury Crate that you will possibly need in terms of game launchers. You can even when you're in your game launcher, you can also just look by your game, so you can launch the game there. You can set up settings directly into that across all of your games, and then you can also then go into games individually and manage your game options with X over each one. So yes, it then works the same as Steam. So that's my opinion, and that is exactly why I bought this Asus ROG Ally X over the Steam Deck. And yes, okay, we could have pushed more performance with some of the more expensive models that are out at the moment, like I think it's called the One Player X or something along those lines, also with Windows. However, this still didn't break the budget. I bought this secondhand off eBay, and you can now pick them up for around £600 to £650, and it's going to be similar in dollars for you guys over in America as well. So guys, let me know what you are thinking. Has this video helped you make a decision? Maybe you're still thinking about the Steam Deck because you want that console pick up and feel. As I said, once you then start getting into the plugins, it then starts getting more complicated. And therefore, why would you not just choose a piece of software that you recognize from school or work? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know all of your thoughts, and let me know what you're going to do. Are you going to buy one? Maybe you already own one. Maybe you're looking to upgrade to the next level from another handheld. Or maybe you're looking to just get into entry into PC gaming, and this is a good option for you. And it is. There's a lot of videos out there on YouTube of people turning these handhelds into full gaming PCs with peripherals and docks and plug and play, and they just unplug it when they want to go on the move. So guys, let me know if you want to see more videos about this device, and let me know if there's anything particular that you would like to see, how it runs, what it does. But for me, without any of the nitty-gritty statistics that aren't really real life stuff, I think this runs everything perfect out of the box. If you're just a gamer and you want to pick up something and you want to download it, this will still run any games. I've found it so far that I haven't really had to play with many of the game settings. The games naturally just change the settings to match the system, and I haven't really seen any jittering or anything along those lines. So guys, thank you so much. Hit a like to the video. Hit that follow button if you would like to see more, and we will catch you all in the next one.